The sun has officially woken up, if last night's display of northern lights is anything to go by. The wondrous displays in the night skies above the Arctic Circle follow the news that our star has begun, solar cycle 25. Experts from NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) think that after our star's deep, solar minimum, in December 2019 it's now waking from its slumber. They could be right. One result of more activity on the surface of the sun, more sunspots, is more space weather, and that means stonier displays of the northern lights. These images were taken on Wednesday night by Lights Over Lapland, in Abisko, northern Sweden. They were also seen in northern Scotland and northern Norway. Is it a sign of many more dazzling displays of aurora borealis to come this winter? Perhaps, but what has the sun got to do with the northern lights, and why should we expect stronger and stronger display of the phenomenon through 2025? Here's everything you need to know about why our planet is now enjoying wonderful displays in the night skies above the Arctic Circle. The northern lights, also called the aurora borealis, are pink, green, yellow, blue and violet lights in the night sky. They're caused by the solar wind in space, charged particles from the sun, being accelerated down the field lines of the Earth's magnetic field. Green lights are caused by the charged particles colliding with molecules of oxygen, while the other colors are caused by nitrogen molecules. The stronger display, the more likely they are to be visible further south. That's why the northern lights are occasionally visible around the US-Canada border. There are also southern lights, alternatively called the aurora australis, a near-identical phenomenon that occurs above the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. However, since there's a lot less landmass in the southern hemisphere, there are fewer choice spots on land to reliably view them from. New Zealand's South Island is probably the best spot. As the sun enters a more active part of its cycle, displays of aurorae tend to intensify. The sun's solar cycle lasts around 11 years, it waxes and wanes, causing a solar minimum, when there's the lowest number of sunspots, and a solar maximum, the highest number of sunspots during each cycle. Right now we're moving away from solar minimum, which is now reckoned to have occurred in December 2019. It's now. From September's equinox through March's equinox is the best time to see the northern lights, though that's only because of the duration and density of darkness. From March to September the night sky doesn't get properly dark, and close to the June solstice it doesn't get dark at all, the so-called white night. Conversely, around the December solstice it doesn't get light around the Arctic Circle. For the southern lights, the viewing season is the opposite, March to September.